National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has Northwestern Carroll County, Jackson County, Dubuque County, Jones County, Eastern Delaware County, East Central Lynn County, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:25 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Luxembourg to Langwardy, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dubuque, Anamosa, Galena, Asbury, Dyersville, Monticello, Bellevue,